In this video, I will show you how to set up call to action button and set up this learn more button on your Facebook page to drive Facebook user traffic from your page to your tutorial site link either on your website or on Udemy or the Teachable site or any other teaching or tutorial sites. So let's get started. First we need to click the three-dotted horizontal More option on Facebook page. Next, from this list, we need to select Add Action button and continue with the process. Next, in this pop-up page, we need to select Learn More option and click Next button in the bottom. And in the Action button pop-up page, we can add our tutorial site link, be it our own site, or our page on Udemy or Teachable site. And click the Save button. Since we are on our own page, the button won't be visible to us. We can view the call to action button as a Facebook user. To do that, we need to click this Save As option from this list, and now you can see the Learn More button added under the Facebook page. Our Facebook page users can click on it and connect to us on our tutorial site. And we are done with this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell icon to stay up to date with new content.